Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by lowering the single biggest drain, the display and background tasks. Dim the screen to about 30%, then disable radios you are not using, like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, because they constantly scan and pull power. Once done, close or force stop background apps that show high battery use in settings. This prevents continual wake locks. Make sure to enable the device's battery saver now so the system throttles non-essential services. This step reduces immediate power draw and sets the phone into a leaner state. Next, manage how the device and apps use power over time. You should restrict background data and set sync to longer intervals. This stops apps from waking the device every few minutes. Also switch location to battery-saving modes or GPS only when needed, because continuous high-precision tracking drains batteries fast. Once those are set, change email and social apps from push to fetch every 30 minutes or manual, and disable unnecessary notifications. Together, these cuts reduce the frequency of wake-ups and conserve charge steadily. Finish by forcing the device into longer idle periods. Enable doze or deep sleep features and reboot so system changes take effect. Reduce display refresh rate and use dark mode if the panel supports it. Both lower GPU and backlight usage. Finally, keep charging habits moderate. Avoid extreme heat and overnight trickle charging when not needed. If drain persists, boot into safe mode and inspect battery stats to identify a rogue app. Removing that app or resetting app preferences usually resolves remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.